Using the right tools is essential to your vehicle's performance. Tire pressure is no exception. With a variety of pressure ranges, Mr. Gasket's air pressure gauges cover the needs of all your vehicles. Let's take a closer look. The lower pressure ranges are ideal for drag racing, sprint cars, dirt track racing, go-karts, and off-road vehicles. The higher pressure ranges are ideal for road racing, autocross, and everyday car and truck applications. A thick rubber boot protects the glow-in-the-dark liquid-filled dials to give you a smooth, accurate reading. With a built-in bleeder valve, pressure adjustments are a button push away, while the narrow 45-degree swivel valve makes it easy to hold against the valve stem. A ball-style chuck is also included. Before you hit the road, make sure your tire pressure is in check with Mr. Gasket air pressure gauges. To check out all of Mr. Gasket's tools, visit MrGasket.com.